Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's so good to be here today. Please stand for the pledge. Salute flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Oh, that was amazing. Thank you, Reagan, for doing that. Oh, that was so nice. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Reagan and I are just hanging out here after school, and we thought that'd be a fun little treat for morning assembly tomorrow, which is actually today for you, but we did this yesterday, so it's kind of confusing. Hey, we're talking about self-discipline this week. It's Friday. You've probably been controlling yourself all week. Remember, self-discipline means you are controlling yourself like this giant human robot, that the controller is inside your head and you're the only one who gets to control it. Now, we've been talking about some different ways to control yourself. Yesterday, Mrs. Tickle talked about how you can use different strategies to gain control when you don't feel like you're in control. Next week, we're going to be talking about how do you use self-discipline to stay really focused when you're in the middle of a hard thing, like the MAP test. We're going to do that next week. Remember, where you get your iPad and you have all the questions, and sometimes in the middle of that, you might need to use one of those strategies Mrs. Tickle talked about, like some deep breaths or count to 10, or you might need give yourself a little break. Self-discipline is all about you are staying in control. Here's what I want you to talk about with your class today. You're a kid, right? You're not a grown-up yet, which means you're around grown-ups all the time, and they're telling you what to do, which is good. That's part of the job that adults have, is helping kids know what to do and make good choices. But I want you to talk with your class and share ideas about this question. What is something that adults have been telling you to do that you think you are ready to start telling yourself to do? That's a big one. Okay, here's one. I remember distinctly when I started to tell myself to clean my own room. My mom had been telling me for years, it's time to go clean your room. It's time to clean your room. You got to clean your room or your friend can't come over to play. And finally, I told myself to clean my room. Guess who tells me now? Mostly me. Sometimes Mrs. Wright. What is something else you can think of that you think you are ready to tell yourself to do? Maybe start your reading homework tonight. Maybe you're ready to tell you, before your mom even tells you it's time to read, you're just going to say, I'm going to go start my reading. Hey, Mom, can you start a timer? I'm going to go read. She's probably going to say, oh, that's amazing. You're showing such self-discipline. Okay, have a chat with your class. What do you think you're ready to tell yourself to do? Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.